Hi, today we're going to be doing a science experiment to see what happens when you put lithium into a container of water and let that lithium sink to the bottom. Now, because lithium is so lightweight, I have taken it and wrapped it around a rock so that it will sink under the water. Because otherwise, as you've seen in previous videos where I've used lithium, it's so lightweight that it'll just float on top. It won't sink. I could use super glue to super glue it to the bottom of the container, but that wouldn't work either because the lithium would eventually let go of the super glue and float to the top. So what I want to do is I want to keep it under the water to see what happens instead of it floating to the top. So hopefully being wrapped around a rock will prevent it from doing so and coming to the top. In previous videos, when I've dropped the lithium in the water, it's hissed, steamed, and eventually caught fire to the point of actually breaking the glass container that I had it in. So let's drop the lithium in and let's see what kind of a reaction we can get. Wow, look at it boil the water. That water is super hot. Look how hot and steamy that water is. That lithium really got hot. And as you can see, the bare rock is at the bottom. Completely, the lithium burned completely off of it, simply because it had nowhere to go, being weighted down. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.